I just got this coming today, and this is a small 200 watt heater, and this is going to be used on a project I'm going to be using for camping. I got a 300 watt inverter coming in, and I also have like a 12 volt lithium style battery coming in. And there's a project I'm going to make for when I'm out camping, is that the heater's pretty small, the inverter's pretty small, and the battery's pretty small, that you could have like heat. I'm going to be able to have heat in the tent, recharge with solar, and if I'm going to go for any long period of time, then I'm going to bring like a 12 volt deep cycle battery, and then especially going to come in handy for camping this winter, because when it's fucking like -10 outside, -20, last thing you want to do is freeze your balls off. So I'm just experimenting and seeing what's going to happen with this. I'm going to do some testing on it, and once I've got everything together, I'll do a video on it. But just letting you guys know. The second part showed up today. This is a 300 watt power inverter. And basically what I'm going to do now, since my heater is 200 watts and I got a power inverter, I need to see how long it'll last on a deep cycle battery. Because if I'm going to go camping and might utilize this from time to time to keep my tent warm in the winter time, I need to know how long it'll last on a battery. So I got a deep cycle battery outside in the garage. We're going to charge it up. I don't know if it's still good anymore or not, but we'll charge it up and then we'll hook it up and see how long it lasts. Now comes the moment of truth. I got the heater, I got the inverter, I got a deep cycle battery, but the only problem with this deep cycle battery is that it was manufactured in 08. I charged it up, so I don't know how good it is or how much life's going to be left, but we'll hook it up, we'll turn on the heater, and we'll see how long it lasts. Right now it's about 3:30. Ideally I would like it to run for, maybe a couple hours, an hour at least, but we'll find out. The inverter has an automatic shutdown at 10.7 volts, and this is a 300 watt DC to AC power inverter. Well, it's about 10 to 5 and this thing's still going, so that's a positive sign. Pretty happy with that. It's looking like I got the low voltage alarm now, 10.7 volts. Time is 5 o'clock. So it's looking like I get 1.5 hours of heat. Like I said, I don't know the condition of that battery, so I don't know just how good it is, but 1.5 hours should be enough to survive a night, I think, because I'm not going to run it the whole night, just going to run it when you're cold, warm up a bit, turn it off. So we'll see. Going to have to try this out. But if you have any questions or comments, post it below. I'd like to hear your input, what you guys think. I got some solar panels coming in, so that'll help charge it in the daytime if I'm doing more than one night. But time will tell. I got to figure this out.